this video, we're going to take a look at the brand new Google tool, Google Vids. This is part of your Google Drive, so to access it, you will go to New and Google Vids. When Google Vids opens, it will ask if you want to start with a template. You'll see that there are several templates that you can use to get started. All of the elements on each of the templates are customizable. So you can change the text, you can change the images, you can change the video, you can change the colors. All of them are editable. So you can start with a template if you want. You can also just start with a recording. This will allow you to record a video directly into Vids with the recording studio. Or if you have media that you want to start with, either a video, a GIF, or an image, you can actually browse your computer or your Google Drive and insert a piece of your own media that way. Or what you can do is just simply close out of this dialog box and it will take you directly to the Vids interface. So let's take a look around and see what we have access to. Now, the first thing that I want you to understand is that this is a Google product. So all of the things that you know about and love about Google Docs or Google Slides, the ability to share, the ability to get comments, all of those things are built into Google Vids, which is a really great idea. So let's take a look at some of the tools that we have access to. So remember, we had the choice of starting with a template. If you change your mind later, you can actually open up the templates sidebar. You can add text. You can just add a simple text title or a subtitle or a body, but look at all of these different pre-formatted text frames that they have. So you can add this and then you can change the text. You can change the colors. It's really a great thing. You can also add shapes. Arrows, callouts, lines. This looks very familiar if you use shapes in slides or drawing. All of the same tools are built in here. You can add stock media, and I love this. So instead of going out to some third-party service or doing a random Google search, you can actually use the stock media that they have available for you. And there are videos, images, music, stickers, sound effects, GIFs, web images, all sorts of things in here. And you can filter and search for the videos, search for the type of media that you want. If you hover over it, you'll be able to see a little preview of the video. And I have noticed that sometimes not all of the things will load immediately when you open it up. So just be patient with that. So that's your stock media. You can also add your own media. So this would be GIFs, video files, or audio files that you already have in your Google Drive. You can add that here. Here's your recording studio, so you can click on that and record yourself. You can choose if you want to record the camera, if you want to do the screen and the camera, so like you were doing a screen recording, just the screen, or maybe you just want to do a voiceover. Maybe you already have a video file that doesn't have audio with it, and you want to come in here and do the voiceover. You can do that as well. And you can also create a script. So I love this piece. And this would be great for students. They could type up their script. It gives you a great teleprompter that you can then read from the script while you're looking into the camera. So that is awesome. Here's our first scene. And notice that you can trim both the beginning and the end of a scene to make it shorter, or you can make it longer. You can add a new scene here. And so now that we have a new scene, we can actually add a transition between the scenes. And if we click on that, you'll see the different types of transitions that we have available. A couple of more tools that I want to show you while we're here. We'll click back on our first scene here. You can change the background. So if you want it to be a solid color, or maybe you just want a gradient of some kind, you can add that to the background of the slide. The paint palette will allow you to customize your styles, and this will give you styles, a few colors here, plus your fonts. So you can change the font based on the different Google fonts that you have already added to your drive. All of those fonts will be listed there. You can actually go and find different fonts and add them also. The other menus should be familiar to you if you've used Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, or Drawings. There's a File menu, the Edit menu with some different things that you can do. Here's your View menu, insert. Again, a lot of the things that we saw over here on this toolbar are available also underneath the insert menu. In addition, you can add tables and charts as well. You can format the different objects once you have them on your vid. You can edit the scenes. You can even split a scene, add it the playhead here, up here in this menu. Great option. You can arrange the order of the objects that you have on your scenes. There's your tools menu and of course your help menu. So in the next videos, we'll take a little more detailed look into the different tools and how to use them, but that is a quick overview of Google Vids.